How to use Honeywell IGS Technical Support Portal. Honeywell IGS Technical Support Portal is a new way to find technical answers faster and more effective than before. You can ask question and find all related answers. This is knowledge base web page, and to look for articles click on search knowledge base. Here we see some filters and mainly article age and type, select as per your requirement. Now for example let's find out something related to motor troubleshooting. We see couple of articles available on portal. Let's select motor overload article. You will see detailed information and steps to fix the issue. Honeywell IGS technical support is specially developed to resolve the issues much faster and in simpler way. We understand the value of customer, and these kinds of articles are helpful to fix the issue and gain knowledge. There are various other videos available on portal, where we get answers to resolve the issues. Now similarly we will search for PLC, related articles are seen in below list. Start using technical support portal and enjoy fast and efficient answers to your technical questions. Thank you.